Dia memang ada pro and con kan. Ni VR ni ada.
Like Android that Elon believes will someday outnumber human beings on Earth and on Mars too. Now, a robot takeover might sound like a bad thing to some, but it might also be exactly what we need to save the world.
Dia boleh tolong semua. Lipat baju pun boleh.
Oh, aduh, memang nak beli satu lah. Tapi dua lah. Satu jadi pakai.
Only 5 years ago that a robot like Optimus
Satu masak depan rumah.
only exists in science fiction, and now it's real life. That's
Why
a big adjustment to make.
Boleh susun semua.
The largest deployment of
Aduh, Tesla.
the company's Cybercab robot, also called We Robot. On the surface, this was supposed to be centered around
Kereta pun dah tak perlu Grab dah apa ni. Kereta pun robot je. Main masuk. Dah tak serta driving dah. Driver dah tak ada.
Dah tak ada driver lah.
Dah driver. Dua belakang? Ya.
Udah.
Ha.
Tesla apa nama robot? Sudah tadi ada yang keluar. Tesla robot taxi. Robot taxi lah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dah jumpa Optimus Gen 2. Dah jumpa dah. Dah jumpa.
Siap boleh buat air.
Tesla Gen 2 nama dia apa? Optimus Gen 2 Tesla.
cleaning up toxic waste. Jobs where people are likely
Dia memang ada pro and con lah dia kata.